All right, so let's go and talk about a little bit about programming language. So before we can start our first project, we need to understand what a program language is. So there is three different types of programming language. That is machine language, assembly languages, and high-level language. So C++ is one of the high-level languages. So a common language that is a lot of them, but the most commons are that you can see and see courses about it and heard in the and blogs and so on is Java, C++, C Sharp, and Visual Basic, PHP, JavaScript, Python, and others. So there is many other ones and new ones that have coming along, but that's are the most common used to programming. Each language has the ability that it's trained in something else, like let's say PHP for content managed systems, C++ for hardware and programming hardware. So each language has the ability or gaming, right, to be the best in some a particular area. So let's go see how it works. So once you create a program, how is the cycle of when you start to create a program and the program is executed. So how it works. So the first thing that you do is you open your editor, whatever that you'll be using. In our case, it will be Visual Studio 2017. You start to program with a programming language, English-like language that you can understand. The pre-processing compiles the program. The phase 3 compiling the C++ program. So the phase 3 is going to translate that English-like language to a machine language. The linking is going to check your code to see if anything is missing before the programs can be executed. The loading is going to place in memory the image and is going to transfer to the memory. And the execution will be when the program is already been checked, nothing's missing, now can be executed. You can have the end product of your program. So the task that you created with your program can be executed. So that's the cycle of when you create a program, how you create a task and how it's executed from the beginning to end. So before we can go on and create our first program that we're going to do next, we had to look at the process of how the program works, in specific in C++. The same process goes to any high-level language. All right, so I see you in the next video.